Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll start with a prayer that, O my Lord, open my heart and make my task easy for me and untie the knot from my tongue so that they may understand my speech. Um, Today, our topic of discussion is business cycle. Countries have experienced ups and downs in overall economic activity since they began to industrialize. Economists have measured the study these fluctuations for more than a century. Um, we these are the objective of our discussion. First, we will discuss what is business cycle and then the behavior of various variable over the course of business cycle. And then we use aggregate demand and supply to describe the impact on business cycles of various shocks. What is business cycle? Business cycles are a type of fluctuation found in aggregate economy activity of that nation that organize their work mainly in business enterprises. A cycle consists of expansion occurring at about the same time in many economic activities, followed by similarly general recession, contraction, and revival, which merge into expansion phase of the next cycle. The sequence of changes is recurrent but not periodic. We will discuss each term later, like what does mean by recurrent and what does mean by periodic. This first we will discuss the definition and then we come to the different pointers. In duration, business cycles vary from more than 1 year to uh, more than 10 year or 12 year, right? Few points in the definition should be clarified and emphasized, like aggregate economic activity, expansion and contraction, co-movement, recurrent but not periodic, persistence, right? Let's discuss aggregate. What does aggregate economic activity means? It means the business cycles are defined broadly as fluctuation of aggregate economic activity rather than as fluctuation in single specific economic variables such as real GDP. Although real GDP may be a single variable that most closely measure economic activity. Expansion and contraction means that let me show you the diagram first. Like these, the dashed line show the average or normal growth path of aggregate economic activity, and the solid curve shows the rises and falls of actual economic activity. The period of time during which aggregate economic activity is falling is contraction and or recession. If the recession is particularly severe, it becomes depression. After reaching the low point of contraction, the trough, aggregate economic activity begin to increase, right? The period of time during which aggregate economic activity grows is an expansion like this, T from P, or a boom. After reaching the high point of expansion, which is P, aggregate economic activity begins to again decline. The entire sequence of decline followed by recovery measure from peak to peak or trough to trough is a business cycle. Right now we will discuss co-movement. Co-movements in business cycle do not occur in just a few sector or in just a few economic variables. Instead, expansion and contraction about the occur at about the same time in many economic activities. Thus, although some industries are more sensitive to the business cycle than others, output and employment in most industries tend to fall in recession and rise in um, expansion. The tendency of many economic variables to move together in a predictable way over the business cycle is called co-movement. Now we will discuss recurrent but not periodic. The business cycle isn't periodic in that it doesn't not occur at regular, predictable intervals and doesn't last for fixed or predetermined length of time. Thus, now we will discuss persistence. The duration of a complete business cycle can vary greatly from above a year to more than a decade, and predicting it is extremely difficult. However, once a recession begins, the economies tend to keep contracting for a period of time, perhaps for a year or more. Similarly, the expansion once begin usually last a while. This tendency of decline in economic activity to be followed by further declines and growth for growth in economic activity to be followed by more growth is called persistence. Lastly, now we will discuss different factors in next video.